Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you have outdoor patio furniture, you know it is so important to keep it protected from the elements so that it will last a long time. I have found this awesome sofa cover from Flexiyard. This is a waterproof, heavy-duty cover that really does an awesome job at keeping your furniture nicely protected. So you don't have to worry about cleaning off the cushions every time you want to just sit down and relax. These are the love seat size, but they do come in a bunch of different size options, so you can find what works best for your furniture. And I just really appreciate all the thoughtful details that have gone into the design of these. The seams are piped and reinforced, so you know that they're going to hold together for a long time. There are air vents that help to prevent condensation and also prevent wind from picking up the covers and blowing them away. There's also clips for each of the four legs, so these are really going to stay put and do a great job at keeping everything protected. The handles make these really simple to put off and on, and it only takes about a minute or so to put them on or off, even with just one person. So keeping your stuff protected is not going to be time consuming. They even include patch material in case you do need to make a small repair. So I have to say I've been really impressed with these covers. They are definitely heavy duty and really well made. I really appreciate that they are a nice tight fit, and they also include a drawstring to be sure that you're getting the best fit possible. And they just look really nice and do an awesome job. So if you're looking for some really nice quality patio furniture covers, I would highly recommend Flexiyard. They have done a great job and put a lot of thought into designing these covers, and that is my point of view.